Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to auto-populate numbered list. Okay, so in this table, we have the world happiest countries 2023. And what you're going to do is to key in the entries over here and the numbers will auto-populate over here. Okay, so let's say you key in Finland. So you should have 1 over here. The next one is Denmark. So it should be 2 over here, right? Okay, the next one is Iceland and then followed by Israel. So how are you going to auto-populate? Okay, one way is to highlight these 2 cells and double click. Okay, or you can just double click on this and click on this field series, right? Okay, but the problem is if you click the next one, Netherlands, you will need to update this to 5. Okay, so you have to double click again. Okay, so let's click the next one, Sweden, Norway. Okay, so what you're going to do is you need to do this. Okay, but this is not automatic. Okay, so and another thing is, let's say if you delete this entry over here, it will not auto update, right? Or if you add a row, it will not auto update, right? Okay, so that's a problem. So I'm going to show you a method. Okay, this method is using the sequence function. Okay, so you have sequence R A, okay, and you highlight this whole column, right? Minus 1, minus 1. So it will auto populate for you. Okay, so no problem if you key the next one. Okay, so for example, the next one is Switzerland. Okay, no problem at all. Or if you delete a row, okay, no problem, it will auto update. Okay, or if you add a row. Okay, so for example, over here, it's France. It says France. It's auto updated. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you learned something new here. Okay, next time you can use this method to auto update your numbers or your serial numbers. Okay, see you in the next video. If you